Friends, most people exploring AI tools face the same challenge. Powerful models exist everywhere, but using them often requires expensive infrastructure and complex setup. For many developers and creators, access to computing resources becomes the biggest barrier. My name is Daniel, and today I'll show you a platform called ModelScope. It gives developers access to powerful models like DeepSeek V3 and the Qwen series through a free API with up to 2,000 requests per day, making it easier to test ideas and build AI applications. It can also be seen as an alternative to platforms like Hugging Face and Civitai, but with built-in tools and free access that lower the entry barrier significantly. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Mates, before we go deeper, let's quickly understand what ModelScope actually is. It is a large open-source AI platform that combines everything needed to build and work with AI models within a single ecosystem. The platform hosts a massive library of models, including large language models, computer vision systems, and multimodal AI. Developers can explore, test, and integrate these models directly into their applications. One of the main advantages is accessibility. The platform provides free API access to many models, along with computing resources and cloud storage for experimentation and development. Instead of building complex infrastructure from scratch, developers can focus on testing ideas, training models, and creating AI-powered applications directly on the platform. Folks, let's start with the trending model section. Here, you can see a wide range of AI tools available on the platform. For example, ZMH Turbo is a fast image generation model that produces high-quality visuals. Below it is the Qwen series, flagship language models from the platform developers that perform well in mathematics and coding. You can also find Flux, another strong model for image generation. But today, we'll focus on DeepSeek V3.2. This model stands out because it can perform complex reasoning while using relatively low computational resources. On the right side, you can see the API reference panel. It provides a ready-to-use interface for connecting to the model. You don't need to rent servers or configure infrastructure. ModelScope already provides the endpoint needed to send requests. Friends, the platform also includes 2,000 free requests per day, which is usually enough for learning and small projects. This allows you to test and build real applications without upfront costs, which is especially important when you're experimenting or learning. To connect to the API, you only need your access token from the profile page and a simple script. In the code example, we use the OpenAI library because the assistant follows the same API standard. The main step is replacing the base URL with the ModelScope endpoint, so requests go to their servers. Then you add the access token and specify the exact model name shown on the DeepSeek V3.2 page. Guys, in this example, we ask the model to generate a simple web scraping script. The request is sent to the tool's servers, processed by the model, and the response returns almost instantly. The result is a full Python script with comments and explanations. This works without linking a bank card or configuring infrastructure, so you can integrate an AI model into a project in about a minute. But models are only part of the system. In the Dataset tab, you'll find a large library of datasets for different AI tasks. Filters on the left help you select text, image, or audio datasets, depending on your project. Mates, if you want to test models without writing code, you can use the Studios section. It contains ready-made web applications that run directly in the browser. You can also create your own app, publish it, and share it directly from the platform. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Another section is MCP, which stands for Model Control Protocol. It allows models to connect with external tools and services so AI can perform real tasks such as searching news or analyzing financial data. Folks, there is also a section called C-Vision, focused on visual generation. Here you can create images and videos using different models directly inside the platform. One feature that stands out is free LoRa training. which allows you to upload your own images and train a custom model to generate visuals in your personal style. Instead of relying on external tools, you can complete the entire training process inside ModelScope. This makes it especially useful for creators who want to build consistent visual styles without additional setup or paid services. To generate an image, you simply enter a prompt. Depending on the model, generation may cost 1 magic cube or be completely free. After a few seconds, the platform produces the result, which you can download or use in your projects. Friends, overall ModelScope combines models, datasets, and development tools in one platform. It also uses internal credits called magicubes, which refresh regularly and can be earned through simple platform activity. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. ModelScope brings powerful AI models and development tools together in one place, so you can explore, test ideas, and build applications without setting up infrastructure. Free API access and free training options make it especially useful for developers and creators who want to start without high upfront costs. What stands out is how accessible it makes advanced AI. You can learn, experiment, and build real projects without needing large resources. I personally find this platform useful for testing models and exploring new ideas, but whether it fits your workflow depends on your goals. Hopefully, this overview helped you understand how the platform works and what you can build with it. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. That will give you access to the platform and also grant you extra magicubes credits to get started. And don't forget to use the code dantech. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.